We'll guide you through how to make the clock bigger on the iPhone lock screen in iOS 26. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. As you can see at the moment, it's just the default size. What we can do is make it much bigger and give it a cool effect. So make sure it's just step by step so you know what to do. So this update was recently introduced in iOS 26. I'm sure it'll be available in newer versions of iOS as well if you're watching this in the future. So let's go and get started with this. So you don't actually do it in the settings. What we need to do is start editing the wallpaper and customizing it as it's a widget essentially. So what you can do is you can go and lock your phone or go and swipe down. I'll lock it. What's important to note, you then need to unlock it. You can see it's got the padlock icon. I'll show my face and it then goes and unlocks. Then tap and hold at the screen like so, and you can go and create a new wallpaper and do this, or you can go and edit this current one. So I can go and customize it at the bottom, as you can see. Now what you can do is go and tap on the clock at the top. It's important to note to go and be able to go and make it bigger and change the size of it. You need to go and make sure you're using this first font. The other fonts stop this feature. So go and select that first font, and then you can choose between glass and solid, and then you can go and choose a color as well. I'll keep it as this normal one. Then all you need to do is you need to go and look in the corner of the clock, and you'll go and see this sort of little piece here. Tap and hold, and you can then drag it. As you can see, I could drag it all the way down like so, and that is the biggest it will get. I can have it somewhere in between if I wanted to though. Also, you're going to see that it's got the depth effect turned on. So you can press that in the bottom left here. I could turn it off and then it won't go behind it. I think it looks quite cool though. So adjust it to your liking, and then when you're happy with it, all you need to do is go and press done. There it is, and you can tap it. Now, as you can see on the lock screen, and now that is going to be the clock. It's now much bigger. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides. Have a great day, consider subscribing and liking the video for more. We've got loads more on the channel. Goodbye.